welcome back to English Grammar part 61. In this part, we are going to deal with remaining examples of preposition of time. In the last class, we dealt with in, on and at. So today, we are going to deal with remaining examples. Let's have a look over preposition of time. Okay, so to begin with, we shall have by. So when this by is to be used? By is used for certain time, not later than, or it may also mean that on or before the time. Yes, whatever the task is given, whatever work is over there, it may complete at that particular time also, or it may complete before also. But if you want to mention precise time, then at preposition is used. But whereas in sentence, if you are just going to complete the task before also means you can use by over there. For example, I complete this task. I'll show you the difference between this at and by. Okay. Here in this example, I complete this task by 4 p.m. Okay. So here I'll write again. I complete this task at 4 p.m. So you can just have a look over the difference between these two sentences. I complete this task by 4 p.m. means you may complete the task within that also, or at that particular prescribed time also. Okay. But here in this sentence, it says that exactly you are going to do that task at 4 p.m. and you are going to complete at that time. See here, I complete this task at 4 p.m. So need not to worry about it. So here also, I complete this task by 4 p.m. 4 o'clock tak wo kaam khatam ho jayega. Right? So this is what this sentence is saying. Fine? Is that clear now? When by is to be used? It is used for certain time, not later than. Okay? On or before the time, whenever you want to mention in the sentence, at that time you are going to use this preposition of time by. So now let us know when for is to be used. So it is used to indicate period of time or amount of time, past, present or future. Okay, just for example, I stayed there for 20 days. Okay, I have been studying here for 2 years. Okay, so this for is used here to indicate period of time or amount of time. So here we have used for to indicate the period of time. So I stayed there for 20 days. I have been studying here for 2 years. So okay, period of time is mentioned over here. Let's have a look over next example. When this since is used as preposition of time in the sentence, and why it is used? It is used to indicate specific time in the past. Okay, for example, I have not seen her since 2 days. I have not visited there since 4 years. So, this since is used to indicate specific time in the past. You can just see, have a look over these two examples, you'll get clear idea. So, I have not seen her since 2 days. 2 दिन से मैंने उसको नहीं देखा है. Okay. So, past whenever you want to particular mention specific time, you can use the preposition of time since over there. I have not visited there since 4 years. Means I have not gone there, right? Since 4 years. So this is how this since will work in the sentence as preposition of time. Let's go for the next now. Now let's see when this during is used in the sentence as preposition of time. It is used when something happens within the time something else is happening. For example, something is going on, right? So within that time period only, if anything else happens over there, then you can just use the word during. For example, she was asleep during the class. You can just have a look over here. So she was asleep during the class. So class is going on. In that time period only, she was asleep. Okay. So next, another example, let us have a look over. She took notes during the class. So class is going on. So during the class period only, she took the notes. So when this during is used, when something is happening within that time period only, something else if happens, then you have to use during. So now let's see how or when, until or till is to be used in the sentence. It means, what does it mean? Up to certain time. Okay, up to a certain time it indicates. So let me just give you one sentence with this usage so that you will get a clear idea. We will wait. We will wait till she comes. So you can just see here. So till is used to mention up to a certain time. So till she comes, we are going to wait. We will not complete till she comes. So the same way, this right till is used. So we are going to not we are not going to complete the task till she comes back, or we can just use comes. She comes back. Fine. So this is how we have to use till or until in the sentence. You can use in place of till, until also. Both are one and the same. So I hope now it's clear when to use till or until. Now let's go for the next word, that is ago. So ago, it is used to refer how long back something 4 years back means we are mentioning here how long back something happened, right? So long ago I had been there. So here particular what we are mentioning long ago, long back. So this is how ago work, right, in the sentences. I hope the concept of preposition of time is clear now. Let's have some sentences and try to fill up in that blank preposition of time. So let's try to fill up correct preposition of time in these sentences. Okay, I have been living here for 6 months, right? Without thinking much we can get. I have been living in Bangalore since March, right? The next, my father said to complete homework by 7 p.m. We stayed at a star hotel. That's the conference, during the conference. So the garden has been here till the 1970. Okay, so or you can use until also. The next last one, he left the school. Okay, so he left the school 5 years ago. So this is how preposition of time work with the sentences. I hope the concept of preposition of time is clear. In the next video clipping we are going to have preposition of place. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.